If characteristic of f is 0, then what we are trying to prove is f of x has no multiple roots. That is, it has only distinct roots. And when this is the case, f of x has multiple roots only if f of x is equal to g of x bar p. That is, we will presume that f of x has multiple roots and say that the form of the function could only be this. So that is what we are going to establish in this corollary. We will take f of x to be irreducible. What is given we have considered. Now before we go to the proof, we will have the definition. Just recall the definition of characteristic of f0 and what do you mean by characteristic of f to be prime p. Now when characteristic of f is 0 for any a non-zero in f, we should have the relation ma equal to 0 to be true only if m is 0. If this is the case, then you say that characteristic of f is 0.